Okay, it's gonna go off soon, so seriously, please turn down your volume. Who knows how loud this siren's gonna be. And I'm gonna cover my ears now, so.
Here it goes.
Yep, it's going off. So what do you think? Man, that baby is loud. It's not gonna turn off. It's gonna come back on. I've seen warnings like this before. So, Mom, is it hurting your ears?
No.
So what do you think, YouTubers? Awesome or what?
That's it.
Man, that was so cool! So what do you think?
That was a test they do every Saturday at noon. And this is just one of 3 sirens in Kingsport.
Actually,
we'll get the
4.
other 2.
Okay, so let me tell you the other sirens. Okay, so, but first there's that one. Then there's an air raid siren on top of the fire station, which is brown and stuff. And there's also another siren which neither me or Mom know what model it is.
On top of Domtar.
Yeah, it's on top of Domtar. And there's also, and according to what rumors say, there's probably a siren at Bays Mountain, but that has not yet been confirmed. So, thank you people for watching, and Eastman does not belong to me. P-50s don't belong to me. And this is a Mamichi 1234 production.